Hello. If you want to learn Japanese quickly and easily without a lot of books and classroom times, then you've come to the right place. Let's start talking right now. Hello, I'm Kerwin.
And I'm Blaine.
And we're your hosts of the EZGOJAPANESE channel, where you'll learn simple and easy Japanese short words and phrases so that you can start speaking Japanese right now.
So the idea here is there will be a set of words or phrases pertaining to a topic. Each word will be spoken slowly 2 to 3 times, then the word will be displayed to the screen. If there is any background info about the word or phrase, it will be talked about briefly.
At the end of each episode, a list will appear with all the terms mentioned so that you can write them down if you wish. The words will be spelled in English, Romaji, which is the English spelling of the Japanese words, and Kana, which are the Japanese characters. We'll try to make it as easy as possible.
Also, we'll be asking you if there are any particular words or phrases that you would like to learn in the future or would like more explanation on, like a word you may have heard from your favorite anime or Japanese TV show. If so, please leave them in the comment section. We'll do a viewer question and answer video in response with those words and phrases. If this is your first time here, please click the subscribe button and the bell so that you don't miss a single episode.
Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you on future videos.
Mata ne!
Mata ne!